You got a minute for your star running back, Coach?
What's up, Underwood?
Hey, Coach, I'm ready to play on Friday. Pain is gone. I don't feel a thing.
Nah, we got 2 games before the playoffs. I'm sitting you out for Western.
What's the point? I'm ready to play now. I've been running every day, Coach. Making sure my knee is strong.
The doctor said 3 weeks.
The doctor's wrong. I'm a quick healer. I know my body.
We could beat Mesa and Valley High, man, with our eyes closed. Why you pressing the issue?
Coach, there's gonna be big scouts these next few games. This might be my last chance. I ain't trying to flip burgers the rest of my life.
So, you don't think the scouts know who Jermaine the Hammer is?
I got a mother who's on dialysis and a grandmother who needs triple bypass. This ain't only about me, Coach. I gotta make something of myself so I can take care of my family.
I'm sorry about the family, man. But you know what? If you blow your knee out, that'll be the last game you ever play.
All right. Make you a deal. You let me suit up, run one play. If I don't score, you can take me out.
Let me think about it. Suit up anyway.